Good morning, YouTube. Hello, everyone. So, I apologize I lied. I decided to do one more vlog before Sunday. Just because today. So, let me just tell you right now. The time is 6:16 a.m. A lot of you are wondering, why the F are you awake that early on a Saturday? Well, I have the opening shift at Walgreens from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. So, thank you very much for that, Walgreens. So, breakfast today is leftovers, cinnamon roll, and sausage McMuffin with egg from McDonald's. So, and as you guys might see, this like swerving around a little bit, is that I attached my Ghost tactical camera to my bike mount on my bike mount that I got from the camera that I got from Radio Shack. So because I'll be biking to work, so give this a little test drive and bring you guys along with me, and so that you can see, and I would like to see how it works. So I'll probably be like editing several different videos together, so just letting you guys know. So yeah, here would be my bike ride right now. Okay, let's give this bad boy a test. Puppy attack! Riding on the sidewalk because I never trust people on the road. Whee! Down the hill! Oh, sorry about that. And here we are. I'm gonna park my bike and give me a second to get the camera off of the bike. So yep, that's the bike mount. Pro of it is that the fact that because it's on the swivel head, you can turn it. So say hi to YouTube, Lauren. My bad. So, yeah. Gotta get to work, so, see y'all later. Bye.